Good morning, students. Very good morning. Last class we discussed insert command, delete command, select command of DML statements in DBMS concepts. Okay. Today we discuss update command. Okay. You know very well what is the main purpose of update command. So update command is a DML command, data manipulation language command, which is used to modify or alter the data within the database. We can change the data, not data structure. We can only change the data. Data means this one. We can only change the data. We not change the data structure of the database. So to change the database structure of the database, we go for alter command. But here we discuss today update command. So update command is used to update command. So update command is used to change the, to modify the, to alter the data within the database table. Okay. So see, observe this EMP table. I take here one EMP table which consists of employee number, employee name, salary, department number columns. In that, E number is primary key, DEPT number is foreign key, that is derived from DEPT table. This E number having different values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and E name having Razu, Rani, King, Srinu and Surya. Salary, their salaries are 5,000, 6,000, 5,000, 7,000 and 6,000. Coming to department number 10, 20, 10, 20 and 30. Three different department numbers are there. Then today we discuss the syntax of update command. What is the syntax of update command? Okay. Update statement. I write here syntax of update statement. So update command starts with the keyword update. Okay. Update table name. Right here table name. Update table name. Set is a keyword. Set column name. Column name 1 is equal to some expression. You write here some expression. Comma. Column name 2. Column name 2 is equal to expression. You write. In this way, you specify number of columns with number of expressions. Okay. So here we write where clause. This one is optional case, not mandatory. If you require any condition, it specifies the rows or tuples. See, where condition. I write here condition. This is the syntax of complete syntax of update command. See, observe here update table name. This one is mandatory. Why I specify here? This one is compulsory. You specify table name here. That's why I specify in angular brackets. Okay. Next, coming to set column name 1. Here expression 1. Comma. We specify comma. We write more than one columns here. If you require only one column, you write only one column. If you require more than one columns to modify, then you write here column name 2 is equal to assignment symbol. Okay. See expression 2 and so on. You write n number of columns here. Okay. After that, where condition. You specify a such condition. Okay. This is the semicolon. You specify here semicolon. This one is not mandatory, optional case. Okay. Then we write update this employee number table. See, I change the department number 10 to department number 10 to 40. How I modify that department number to? My intention is to change or to update department number 10, column department number 10 to update department number 40. How this can be changed by using this update command. See, I modify this by using this update command. See, I write here update. Here table name. Which table here? See, employee table. See, I write here update EMP table. So which column? Set. I set the column department number 10. This one is department number 10. These two values to change from 10 to 40. So that's why I write here update EMP set DEPT number is equal to 40. Department number is equal to 40. I change department number column to 40. Okay. So where department number is equal to 10. Understood my point? See, here I write update EMP table name. Then I write here set department number column, that is 40. So I change this 10th column to 40. So this can be automatically, when I am executing this statement, this can be changed from 10 to department number column 10 to 40. So that's why I write here update table name set department number is equal to 40, where department number is equal to 10. So it automatically changes. Where the department number 10 columns are, rows are there, they will automatically change from department number 10 to 40. So in this way we use update command. Okay, by using set keyword. See, I write here where class. Suppose I not specify here where class. For example, I not specify here where class, then what will happen? Suppose I not write here where class, automatically it takes. So without using where class means it change all the department number columns. This one is 40, this one is 40, this one is 40, this one is 40, and all the department number columns having the department number changed to 40. Why? Here I am not specifying any where class. So without specifying where class means it takes, it consider the entire column of department number. Okay, changed from to this required value, that is 40. So that's why we specify here condition. Understood my point? So without specifying condition means, suppose I not write here where class, it takes, it consider, it update all the entire column values changed to this new column value. Okay, so old value here 10, 20, 10, 20, 30. These are old values. These old values are updated without specifying any where class to all the values to 10th department to 40, 20th department to 40, and every value to update to 40. See. Okay, next coming to one more example. I write here one more example. Okay, I change only department number 3, employee number 3, salary. I update, I require here employee number 3, salary update to 8,000. So then I write here update EMP table, set salary. I use here, I change. My intention is to change salary column from this employee number, from this employee number 3, I change the salary column from 5,000 to 8,000. That's why I write here. So the changed column here is salary. So salary, I write here changed column. Salary is equal to changed value, that is updated value is 8,000. Okay, I write here 8,000. Where we change this update command? Here only employee number 3 tuple or row can be changed from salary 5,000 to 8,000. Okay, so only one row affected here. That's why it displays the output one row updated or one row changed. Then to display the changed or updated values of this employee table, then you go for or display select command. So then you select after update. Okay, then you see that updated values. Okay, we use select command. Select star from emp, then it displays the following output. So okay, before applying update command, you select this emp table, it displays here 5,000. After updating this employee table with employee number, where the employee number is equal to 3, then we update the set salary is equal to 8,000. Then after updating this, we select this employee table, it displays the following output. So this is the example for update statement in SQL. So update command is used for updating or modifying or changing the values of a particular column or more than one columns also. Here we write with using where class or without using where class. Understood my point? Coming to next example here, I am taking here one employee table. Okay, this table having number of columns here. See, observe all these columns. Here, first column is employee number. Second column is employee name. Third column is basic salary. Here we calculate, okay, net salary. Net salary means basic salary. They are given basic salary. So in that basic salary, we can add TA. TA means traveling allowance. Okay. DNS allowance. Some allowances we add for this basic salary. This TA, DA, HRA. These three are allowances. Okay. So these three are added to this basic salary. Then we calculate TA, DA, HRA basing on this basic salary. Some amount of percentage. Okay. Some percentage they are adding TA, DA, HRA. Then we calculate allowances, total allowances. Total allowances plus TA, DA, HRA, total allowances. So then we add these three column values and place it on the final value, that is allowances. So these allowances can be added to basic salary. Next, coming to deductions. Deductions. Here in our basic salary, some deductions can be takes place. Those are PF, Provident Fund, that can be deducted from our salary. That is deducted from our basic salary. That's why, I write here PF amount. Next, some amount of percentage they deduct from our basic salary. They cut, they minus from our basic salary. These are added to our basic salary. This can be deducted from our salary, basic salary. Next, coming to loan. If you have any loan in any bank, then they deduct that loan amount from our basic salary. So they deduct some percentage of loan amount, deduct from our salary. That's why you calculate here loan amount. PF and loan amount. These two are deductions. So here some amount of percentage deduct from our basic salary. This one also deduct from our basic salary. These two can be added and place it on deductions. Okay, and place it on deductions. So these three are added and place it on allowances. These three are added and place it on deductions. Then finally we calculate, okay, this basic salary plus allowances. Okay, this can be added. Okay, so basic salary plus allowances minus deductions. Okay, we calculate basic salary plus allowances minus deductions, then we get the final salary, that is net salary. Okay, that is called as gross salary. That is also called as by hand salary. So total salary we have taken by hand. This salary how it can be calculated in every organization? So basic salary plus some allowances, some percentage of allowances, that is TADA plus HRA can be added to our basic salary. After that, deduct some amount of, some percentage of amount, okay, basing on our basic salary, that is PF and loan can be deducted from our salary. So then final salary is, that is net salary is equal to basic sal plus allowances minus deductions. Why it is minus? Okay, this one cut from our salary. That's why we minus these deductions. Then we get the final salary. That is calling it as gross salary or net salary or by hand. Okay, we are taking some amount by hand. That is calling it as net salary. In this way, we calculate by using update command. Here I calculate by using this update command. This is very important. Okay, update command is used for this purpose. How I calculate by using this update command? See, first I take this, I create this table. Okay, I create this table. How I create this table? This table can be created by using create command. Create table, table name. Create table, table name. Here table name is EMP. Okay, in this table I create all these columns. Those are E number, E name, basic sal, TA, DA, HRA, allowances, PF, loan, deductions and net sal. Okay, so I create this employee number. This one is number data type. Number of 2. Primary key. This one is acting as a primary key. This one is primary key column. Okay, next employee name. How I create employee name? See, number of, see, varchar of 10. Okay, E name, varchar of 10 or character of 10, not null column. Next I create basic salary. Okay, so basic sal, here column name is basic sal, number of 7, 2. Understood my point? 7, 2. Next I create TA column. TA column. Okay, this one also TA, number of 7, 2. DA, number of 7, 2. HRA, number of 7, 2. Okay, these are all number data type columns. I create by using number data type columns. So this one also having values, numbers. That's why I create allowances as a number of 7, 2. Okay, see, PF, number of 7, 2. Here loan, number of 7, 2. Deductions, number of 7, 2. Net salary, number of 7, 2. Okay, so in this way I create my table EMP by using all these columns and their data types and their sizes. After that I insert. Okay, after creating that table structure, So this can be created like that. After that, I insert, okay, only these three values. I insert only these three values. Only for I enter, okay, by using insert into table. By using insert into table, I enter only this column, this column, this column values. Remaining columns, okay, calculated columns, I calculate by using this instructions. This conditions, they are given some conditions. TA is equal to, how to calculate TA? 2% of basic salary. Already we are given basic salary. So in that basic salary, we calculate 2% of basic salary and we update this value. Initially these all values are having null values. We not enter any values from all these values. TA, DA, HRA, allowances, PF, loan deductions and net salary. All these are having, without having values means they contain some null values. We enter only by using insert into table name command. Okay, we enter only these three values. Remaining columns are all empty. So that's why they are having null values. If any column having any doesn't have any values means it contains some null values. Then we calculate basing on these values. We calculate TA, DA, HRA, PF, loan, and we calculate all these values. Finally, we calculate net salary. How we calculate net salary? By using this update command. So I explain this concept by using through examples. So first we create EMP table by using this structure. After that we insert these three column values. Okay, I take here 3 employees. Only 3 employees. We take any number of employees. But I calculate here for 3 employees. I update all these remaining columns and I calculate for those 3 employees, calculate net salary. Understood my point? See, first I take first employee, second employee, third employee. I insert first employee name Razu. First employee name is Razu. Basic salary. Basic salary how much? 10,000. For example, I am taking it as 10,000. Okay. Second employee number name is Suresh. Okay. So Suresh is the name of the second employee. Here, this salary is 20,000. For example, I am taking it as 20,000. Okay. Then I take third employee. Okay. Here I am taking third employee. See, third employee is Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh salary is, for example, okay, here also 30,000. I am taking here 30,000. See, I take 3 employees. I already insert for these 3 columns. So by using insert into EMP, insert into EMP, okay, within bracket specify E number, E name, basic sal, okay, values 1. Razu 10,000 first time, second time 2 Suresh 20,000, third time 3 Rajesh 30,000. So then after that I select that table. So select star from EMP that displays this values of the EMP table. Here observe here only these 3. In each and every row, these 3 columns having some values, remaining not having any values. Means all these are having null values. These are calculated values. We can calculate by using this update command. So update command used to update. Here all these are having null values. We update from null values to our conditions values. Okay, for this purpose update command is used. This is the best example for calculating the values, okay, by using update command. Here they are given some instructions, some Condition they are given. How to calculate TA, DA, HRA, PF and loan for this organization. This one is having employees information or details for a given organization. So that organization follows these percentage of values for calculating TA, DA, HRA, PF and loan. So then we calculate by using this basic salary values, we calculate TA, DA, HRA, PF and loan. How? I calculate and finally I get the value of net salary. Okay. Next, first TA is equal to, I take first employee Raju 10,000. Here first employee salary is 10,000. Okay. First employee salary is 10,000. Then I calculate TA for this first employee. See, I calculate TA is equal to 2% of basic salary. 2% of basic salary means 2 into basic salary, percentage of basic salary. Here basic salary is 10,000. Okay, 2 into 10,000 divided by percentage means 100. Okay, see, these two zeros are removed and I calculate here 2 into 100. 2 into 100. Okay, 200. So I calculate here TA amount for this employee. Out of 10,000, we calculate TA here. TA is equal to 200. So I place here TA is equal to 200. Then I calculate DA. So DA is equal to DNS allowance. This one is 3%. So 3% means 3 into basic salary 10,000 for first employee by 100. So then I calculate 3 into 100. 300. See, this 300 is the DA. Okay, 200 is TA, 300 is DA. Then I calculate HRA. So HRA is equal to 10% of basic salary. So 10% here basic salary is 10,000. So 10% of 10,000. 10 into 10,000 by 100. Okay. Then I calculate 10 into 10,000 by 100 is equal to 10 into 100. That is 1000. I calculate here 1000. Okay, HRA. So TA is equal to 200, DA is equal to 300, HRA is equal to 1000. Then I calculate allowances. How I calculate allowances? So allowances. Okay, is equal to. Okay, see, allowances is equal to TA plus DA plus HRA. Okay, I add these three values. So TA 200, 300 plus 1000. 1000 plus 500, 1500. So 1500. See, allowances is equal to TA plus DA plus HRA. Okay, system calculate by using update command all these values. Okay, so 1500. Then calculate PF. How to calculate system by this PF value? See, PF is equal to 6% of basic salary. So PF is equal to 6%. 6 into 10,000 by 100. So 600. Okay, so system calculates PF 600. Okay, then I calculate loan. How I calculate loan? Loan is equal to 5% of basic salary. So 5 into 10,000 by 100. That is 500. See, this one is 500. Okay, then system calculates these two values. Loan deducted from our loan. This one is deducted value. This one also deducted value. To summation of these two values, total 600 plus 500, that is 1100. So total deductions is equal to total deductions PF plus loan 6 plus 500 1100. Okay, so system calculate by using update command all these values. We are writing all these conditions in our update command. How I write all these conditions in update command? Okay, see, these are all expressions. When we calculate TA column, this one is expression. When I am calculating DA column, this one is some expression. We write, okay, expressions when we calculate column updations. So write here update command all these calculations. Then how we calculated? This one is allowances, this one is deductions. Okay, then I calculate here basic salary 10,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,100. That is net salary. So net salary is equal to, I calculate here, net salary is equal to, okay, net salary is equal to, how I calculate? Net sal is equal to, okay, so basic sal plus allowances, basic sal plus allowances minus deductions. Then I calculate here basic sal 10,000 plus allowances 1,500. 10,000, 1,500. 10,000, 1,500. So 10,000 plus 1,500. So 1,500 I added these two values. So 0, 0, 5, 1, 1. So 11,500. 11,500 minus 1,100. So 1,100 we did a 1,100 here 0, 0, 5 minus 1 4. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 1. So total salary is equal to net salary is equal to 10,400. See, I write here 10,400. We not calculate all these values. System automatically calculates by using this update command. So here all these are empty values, null values. By using we update all these values by update command. I write here update command. So update command calculates in this way. Okay, by using these conditions. Okay, then update all these null values to these values. 200, 300, these are calculated columns. So we not enter these values by using insert into command. By using update command, we calculate all these remaining values and the system calculates. We write here allowances is equal to TA plus DA plus HRA. Deductions is equal to PF plus loan. Then net salary is equal to basic salary plus allowances minus deductions. Then we get net salary. In this way, we write update command by using all these instructions. Okay, understood my point? So, okay, first I write, okay, here, first I write update command. So, understood my point? Here I calculate only for first column. Remaining columns are also calculated by using their basic salary. Here TA can be calculated by using this 2% of 20,000. Here DA can be calculated 3% of 20,000. Here all these values are calculated by using this 20,000 basic salary. Here all these values are calculated by using this basic salary 30,000. TA, DA, HRA, PF and loan. So for this updation, we write here one update command by using these instructions. Okay, understood my point? I write here. See, I calculate here manually. But we not calculate here. System automatically calculates all these values. Calculated column. Those are calculated columns by using update command. That's why here only they are having null values. Okay, that's why I write. Okay, here null values. Okay, see. So write here update command by using all these instructions. By using all these instructions we calculate. I write here update command. See, update. First I write update. Okay, update here. Table name emp update. Table name here emp. Update table name emp. Then I write all these columns, calculated values. We update only these values. We update, all these are having null values. So we update only these values, these columns. That's why I write here each and every column in this update command. So update emp. First I write ta set. First here we write set. ta is equal to 2% of basic salary. So 2% means 2 into basic sal. 2 into basic sal slash 100. Okay, I calculate by using this calculated value. So set TA column. I update TA column. TA already having some null value. We update this null value TA to 2 into basic sal slash 100, comma. So this one is one column right here. Next I write DA. So DA is equal to 3%. 3 into basic sal. Okay, slash 100. Okay, next, comma. After that we calculate HRA. HRA is equal to how I calculate here? HRA is equal to 10%. So 10 into basic sal slash 100. Next. So next I calculate here allowances. How I calculate allowances? So allowances is equal to allowances. This column I update allowances column. Okay, is equal to TA plus DA plus HRA. TA plus DA plus HR. Here I write TA plus DA plus HRA. Okay, TA plus DA plus HRA. Next, comma, we specify here comma. Okay, then I calculate PF. How I calculate PF? PF is equal to how I calculate? PF is equal to how much percentage? 6 into basic salary. 6 into basic sal. So basic sal slash 100. I calculate here 6%. Next, I calculate loan. How I calculate loan? Here. So this can be write down in this area. Okay, I write in this area. So loan amount I calculate. Loan is equal to so loan is equal to 5%. 5 into basic sal 5 into basic slash 100. Okay, then we calculate deductions. How I calculate deductions? So deductions is equal to total deductions. So total deductions is equal to PF plus loan. Right here PF plus loan. So comma. Specify after each column. See, specify after each column I specify one comma. Why? Because we update all these columns at a time. We update all these columns. We not update only single column. Here we update. Okay. All these columns from null value to all these values updated here. Okay. So that's why you specify a comma. This one is column 1, expression 1. Column 2, expression 2. Column 3, expression 3. Here expression means calculated value. calculated value. Here we write operators, some operations, operands, everything we write here expressions. See, so deductions is equal to PF plus loan. This one total deductions. Then I calculate net salary. How I calculate net salary? Net sal is equal to basic sal. See, basic sal plus allowances plus minus deductions. So I write here basic sal plus allowances, basic sal plus allowances minus deductions, total minus deductions. Okay, this is the actual concept of update statement. We update all these columns. Okay, we update all these columns in a single update command. So this update command having not only single column, it is having so many columns. We calculate or we update from null values to all these values by using this single update command. In this way we use update command for updating either single column or more than one single column at a time. See, here you specify some semicolon. After completion of entire update command, we specify all the columns are completed, then we specify a semicolon. Okay, understood my point? So in this way we write update command. So finally we calculate here TA, DA, HRA, allowances, PF, loan, deductions and net salary for all these values. First time we take 10,000, second time we take 20,000, third time we take 30,000. For all these values we calculate everything here. Then after that we select this. After updating this command, we go for select command by using select star from EMP semicolon. Then it displays all these updated values. Here 2%, 3%, 10%. So 2% means 200. 3% means 300. This 10% 1000. Then here 20,000. 20,000 means 400. 600. This one is 2000. So next, this one is 30,000. 30,000 means 600. 900. This one is 3,000. When I am applying this command, update command, it calculate all these values like that. Here, Then 5% loan and 6% PF. So then we calculate these three values. This one is 1500. This one is 1000 plus 2000, 3000. This one is 3000 plus 9 plus 6, 1500 plus 3000, 4500. So it update all these values like that. TA for this basic salary, for this basic salary, for this basic salary, update all these values. We not calculate. System automatically calculate all these calculated columns from null value to update this value. Then here it calculates by using PF 6% basic salary. 6% means 600 here. Here 600. So 2 into 600, 1200 here. 3 into 600, 1800 here. Why? Because here 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Next 5%. Loan amount is here 5%. 5% means 500 for 10,000, 1,000 for 20,000, 1,500 for 30,000. Next, see PF plus we add deductions. Deductions is equal to PF plus loan. So 600 plus 500, 1100. 2200. This one is 18 plus 15, 330, 3300. Okay, then we calculate here, add 10,000 plus 1500 plus 1100. 10,000, 1500 plus 1100. Then we minus 1100, then we calculate here net salary. So 10,000 basic salary, 1500 allowances we can add here plus, so 11,500 minus 1100. So how we calculate here? 10,400. Already we calculated 10,400. Then I calculate for this 20,000. For this 20,000 here, okay, we calculate all these things. So 20,000 basic salary, 20,000 plus allowances 3,000. That means 20,000 plus 3,000, 23,000. Here we add these two values. Then minus this one, 2,200 minus 2200. Then 0, 0, 10 minus 2, 8, 2 minus 2, 0, 20. So 20,800. Okay, 20,000 plus 3,000, 23,000 minus 2,200. That is 20,800. So this one is net salary, final salary. This one is final salary for this employee having. This one is final salary after deducting, adding and deducting. Then he get the final salary 20,800. The original salary, basic salary is 20,000. He get after deducting everything, adding allowances and deducting everything, he got 20,800 net salary. Like that, here we calculate 30,000. Here we calculate 30,000. So 30,000 plus, yes, allowances 4,500. 4,500. So here 5, 4, 3. 34,500 minus 3,300. Minus 3,300. It will get, so 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3,000, 3,100. So 31,200. Okay. In this way, the system calculate and update all these values basing on this update command. They are given some instruction, 2% of TA. So they are given those instructions. Then we write, by using those instructions, we write update command according to our syntax. Here I write update table name set, column name 1. Here we write expression. They are given instruction. We write that calculated amount. In this way we use update command. Thank you, students. Next class we explain one more example. This one is very important example for update command. Next class I explain one more important example for this update command. Thank you, students.